Good morning, students. Happy New Year. Today we are going to start English subject or English class, unit number 6, Expert Detectives, written by Sharda Divedi. This story is in two parts. Today I will read the summary of this part, two parts, and I hope you will read textbook and understand. Let's start the story. Expert Detectives. Nishad and his 10 years old sister Maya have always been inquisitive about their neighbor Mr. Nath. One day, their marbles go inside the house and Nishad gets a chance to catch a glimpse of Mr. Nath. To Nishad, Mr. Nath appears to be a crook running away from the cops. He had a bad scar on his face and doesn't have any friends. But Mr. Nath is a patient of their mother, who is a doctor by profession. Their mother has told them that he is a polite man. Nishad is also called Seven because his name means the seventh note of the musical scale. The two children are busy discussing their mysterious neighbor. They argue about his financial wealth, how he manages his food, and so on. Nishat thinks that he is poor and doesn't have much money, while Maya believes that he has got a lot of money and has kept it hidden somewhere in his room. Then it is Mr. Nath's car that brothers and children. They think that he might have got it during a school out with the police. On the following Monday, after their mother's birthday, Nishat goes along with her to the clinic. He happens to see Mr. Nath there. He is worried seeing Mr. Nath's ground appearance. That evening, Nishat goes to Mr. Nath's place and gives her a bar of chocolate to him. Nishat befriends Ramesh, the boy who brings food for Mr. Nath from a nearby restaurant. Ramesh informs him that Mr. Nath has two meals a day and tea in the morning and the afternoon. His meal is the same every day and always used to pay in cash and tips as well. He brings two lunches on Sundays and it is the same visitor he finds there. The visitor is a tall, stout, and spectacled man who talks a lot while Mr. Nath is a quiet person. The children are thrilled and they are discussing the possibilities of Mr. Nath being a crook. Their school opens after the summer holidays the next day, but they cannot attend it because of heavy rains. Nishad is busy regarding the comic when Maya informs that she was done. I am reading now in part 2. She has made a note of everything that they know about Mr. Nath, calling them facts and gives a number to each one of them. Nishad disagrees with calling Mr. Nath a criminal. He feels bad for Mr. Nath for having no friends, while Maya thinks that the visitor who comes to his place on Sundays may be his partner who knows all his secrets and maybe about the loot as well. Both the children have an argument and Nishad is upset with Maya for calling Mr. Nath a crook. Nishad is interested only in finding out why Mr. Nath is so thin and a lunar. He wants to be his friends, and Maya's theories don't have any impact on Seven. So this is the summary of the uh, story Expert Detectives. If you read this story in your from the textbook, you will understand easily. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you very much.